It's dead. Oh God! You broke his wing. Broke it. Oh my God. It's bone. Oh. Please don't do that. Oh God! You need to kill it. Oh my God! I think I just killed the bird. No! Roll over it. It's already dead. I think I just killed the bird. The baby bird. We were trying to take it to Mississippi. I was trying to take it to Mississippi. See, I already broke the wing. No! Guys.
Can you keep it and put it on the side?
Sure. He's dead.
I know, but instead of
Videotape it.
just put it on the side.
He's not dead. He's blinking.
Yeah, thank you.
Dude, I saw him fall. No. I got him, man.
Put it on the side down by the...
I got it right here again. Don't fall. Make it fall, kid. Oh, it's okay. Oh, yeah. Give it. He's not dead. He's not dead. I know. I'm just doing this. That's yours for me to fast. That's a falcon. It's a baby falcon. He's holding his face. It's a baby falcon.
What's that?
It's cool.
You almost threw a baby falcon.
I know. That's so horrible. It's gonna eat some berries.
I'm leaving because the doctor is taking me when I go
Thank you for watching this. It's pretty cool.